equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our detailed guide on claiming warranty for your MSI MS15M1 laptop. In this video, we will walk you through the essential steps to ensure a smooth warranty claim process. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a can of compressed air for cleaning. These tools will help you access the internal components of your laptop safely. Begin by turning off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the screws from the back panel using your Phillips screwdriver. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. After removing the back panel, take a moment to inspect the internal components for any visible damage or dust accumulation. If you notice dust, use the can of compressed air to clean the internal parts. This is crucial as dust can cause overheating and affect performance. Remember, a clean laptop is a happy laptop. Now, if you find any issues that might be covered under warranty, it's time to document them. Take clear photos of any damaged components or areas of concern. This documentation will be vital when you submit your warranty claim. Before proceeding, if you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help identify any issues for you. Next, locate your warranty information. This is usually found in the user manual or on the MSI website. Ensure you have your proof of purchase handy, as this will be required for the warranty claim. Once you have all your documentation ready, visit the MSI support website. Here, you can fill out the warranty claim form. Be sure to provide all necessary details, including your laptop serial number and a description of the issue. After submitting your claim, MSI may request that you send your laptop in for repair. If this is the case, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making the process hassle-free. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution to get your laptop repaired. Once your laptop is received by MSI, they will assess the issue and provide a quote before repair. This ensures you are aware of any potential costs before proceeding. In summary, claiming warranty for your MSI MS15M1 involves gathering the right tools, documenting any issues, and submitting a claim through the MSI support website. Remember, if you need assistance, we are here to help with professional diagnosis and convenient pickup and delivery services. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has made the warranty claim process clearer for you. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.